Today we will see how we can download or install Orange tool. This is an open source tool which we are using for data mining and for data analysis tasks. So now let's start how we can go for the installation of the Orange. In Google you have to just type it out, Orange tool download. Just click on enter. Now the very first link you will find out here, this is the Orange data mining tool. So multiple options are there based on your OS. You have to select it out. Now here I am going for Windows installation. So I'm just clicking on the download Orange. Now it has been started downloading. It will take a while to install or download the software. Now the installation is done. We will go to the downloads folder section. Now here you will find Orange is there. You just go for installing it, click on the next, agree, and then go for the next. You can change the path also if you wish. I am going with the default path here. Next and install. So if Python is not installed in your system, it will ask for certain permissions. Just click on OK, then agree. Then just go with the default directions. So now it is installing. Installation is completed. I'm just clicking on finish. So you can see Orange is there. Its documents are already open. Now a few steps are left. You just go with it. It will take certain time. Now once the installation done, we just open Orange. Now here we will see if you want to add the other add-ons as well. There is an option at the top. You just go on add-ons. You will find a list of add-ons available with Orange. So by default Orange 3 was available. Now I have selected image analytics, text, time series, survival analysis. If you wish, you can add on other as well as per our project requirements. So just select it on and click on OK. So whatever the add-ons you will be adding, you will find it out here itself. So all the options related to with that add-ons is available. So this is it for the installation. Now we will see the next part of data mining and pre-processing in the next session.